Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you the technique. We need to use about integration by substitution. So we put about u equal to tan s. Du you got about secant of s squared ds. Next, we divide both sides with secant of s to the power of 4. This one you got about secant of s squared. Next, about this one we can change into 1 plus tan s to the power of 2, everything to the power of 2, because this one is about secant of s squared. So we change this one into u squared. So this one we change for u to the power of 5 ds over secant of s squared. In here we change for this one. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So we put about t equals to 1 plus u squared. About u to the power of 5 we can change into u to the power of 4 multiply with u. So in this situation we need to find u squared in here. So you got about u squared equal to t minus 1. Later that we do first the derivative in the both sides. Because we don't have number 2 in here, so we divide both sides with number 2. So this one we change for t, u to the power of 4 we change for t minus 1 to the power of 2, u du we change for dt over 2. And this one we got about t squared minus 2t plus 1. So we divide with t squared in here, and you got about 1 minus 2 over t plus 1 over t squared. And now we got the final answer. The integral of number 1 you got about t. The integral of 2 over t you got about negative number 2 ln of the absolute value of t. And the last one is about negative 1 over t. About t, that's about this one. Because this one provides a positive number, so we don't need to use the absolute value anymore. About u, that's about tan s. About this one we can change into secant of s squared. and this one you got about for ln of secant of s. That's it the end. Thank you for watching.